Oh, g'day, kia ora, and welcome to the Rubbertree family. Today we're here to show you how to install these tailored seat covers of ours. Come on, let's take a look. The first things you'll want to do is identify your three pieces of the seat. You've got the headrest, the backrest, and the base. Things to note on the backrest are the airbag tags. These will need to be lined up with your seat cover. Start by removing the headrest. Now let's put the backrest on, remembering to note where those airbag tags are. Simply match them up and you know you're good to go. Slip the backrest over the top and use the headrest holes as a guide if you need. Tuck the holes under the headrest plastics. Finesse the seat cover so it sits snug. They can take a good pulling. You may find that the backrest is bunching due to that center console. Simply come behind and grab it and finesse it so that seat cover looks nice. Identify those elastic velcros and pull them out so they're ready to go when you fit the base. To install the base, identify the tag that says driver or passenger. Simply lay it on top of the base and stretch it over in each corner. Keeping the velcro and tabs as clear as you can. You'll notice 3 elastic loops at the back of your base. These will align with the bottom of your backrest. This is when we install the discs. Simply grab your disc and slide the elastic loop in the side slit. Repeat this with the backrest loop. Repeat this for the other 2. Once those 3 discs are on, simply push them in between the base and the backrest. Once pushed through, they'll lock on the other side, so that seat cover's not going anywhere. Once again, finesse the backrest and the base till you're happy with it. Now it's time to install those side elastic straps. You'll notice one side has the spiky hook velcro and one side is loop. Attach the hook and loop velcro elastics. You may find this easier to do at the front. Once attached, push under and let it fall into place. To attach the back straps, find the gap at the back of your base and wedge the strap in between. You should feel it fall pretty naturally and we'll collect it from the other side. Repeat this for the center console strap. To make it easier, you can go around the seatbelt buckle and connect it underneath. Once you've found these straps, connect them together and let it fall into place. Last step is to connect these velcro elastics to the front of the base. The best thing to do, simply grab them, press them as far as you can underneath and connect it to the carpet. We can grab them from the front. Grab those velcros from the ground and simply attach them to the tabs at the front of the base. This will pull your seat cover nice and snug, and then we can finesse. Hot tip to help you get that more seamless look, use your seatbelt buckle and tuck the seat cover in between the plastics and the seat itself. Last thing you want to do is put that headrest cover on. So, slip the headrest back onto the seat. Get the headrest cover, spiky part should be facing the back once you're done. Slip it over, attach the velcro underneath, and you're done. Now let's do the back seat. In this sort of configuration, the backrest has a split and so does the base. Remove your headrest and place aside. A lot of these vehicles will have an anti-release lock. Best thing to do is get either a key, a pen, or a screwdriver, jam it in that lock, push your pin, and it'll release. Slip the backrest cover over the top, tucking in the headrest holes underneath the plastics, making sure to note any holes or release points. Give it a good tug and tuck it in. Attach your discs and tuck these through the gap at the back. For the base of the rear, it's much the same as the front. Slip the cover over the seat, identifying your velcro elastics between the backrest and the base. Be sure to pull out all seatbelt buckles so they're clear of any obstructions. Much like the front, pull the front elastic tabs and attach them and let them fall. You can tuck these in afterwards. Repeat this for the back. You may find it easier to move your seat forward and back to get more access. Once these are attached, you're good to go. Repeat on the other side. For backrest with a seatbelt built into it, there should be a zip in your seat cover. Unzip this, pull the seat cover underneath the seatbelt and bring it around. Zip up at the rear, and then the rest is much the same. Tuck the seat cover underneath the plastics, finesse the seat cover, align everything up, and tuck it all in. The base on the other side is much the same as that smaller side. Just align up where the seat belts are, tuck it all in and attach your velcro tabs. Remember to watch out for that seatbelt buckle. Finesse the seat cover until it's all in place. To finish off the rear seats, simply put the headrest back in their holes and slip the cover over the top. There may be velcro on the back, attach those and you're good to go. To install the passenger seat cover, just repeat the steps you did on the driver's side. There you go guys, your seat covers are all fitted and ready to go. Your seats will now be life-proof and adventure ready. Cheers.